In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can reset your Telegram channel's link. So the link that people tap on it to join your channel, I'm going to show you guys how you can reset it. You can follow the same procedure for your group link reset as well. So you can see I just created this channel here for my previous tutorial. So what I need to do here is just tap on the top side like this, and then I come here and then I tap on the pencil here to make some edit. So at the edit here, to change my link, I need to tap on this. Good, you can see my public link here. So already I had this, so I can change it to 123 and it's available, and then I save it now. You can see I've changed my Telegram channel's link. That's it. Very much simple and easy. So I think a lot of people were following this procedure. When you come here, when you tap on this, they're going to tell you to copy. You can't do anything about it. But then your QR code is going to, after it's been changed, they're going to generate a new one for you. It's very much simple. You just come here and then you generate your new QR code and you're good to go. So people can join your channel with this new link, but your old link will be revoked. So that's it on how you can change a link to your Telegram channel. If you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.